here I'm going to demonstrate how to install your M16 style foregrip on your X7 marker. We're first going to start off by removing your push pins on the front of the shroud or foregrip. You're then going to want to slide your foregrip off the front of the gun or marker. And now it's ready for the installation of the M16 style foregrip. I'm going to slide that on the front. You're going to want to make sure that you get your holes to line up with the foregrip and the receiver of the gun or marker. You can see there's a difference in the length of the push pins. Your longer push pin is going to be the one that you insert into the bottom hole, and then your shorter push pin is the one you're going to want to put in the top hole. The installation of this foregrip is the same as all the other foregrips for the X7 marker, and this concludes the installation of the M16 style foregrip.